Good morning, all my friends from Arrington, Coombs, Hilliers, Whiskey Creek, and Meadow Woods. This year, Family Day is on February 21st. Family Day is a special holiday for families to get together and do activities together. Aerosmith Community Recreation Association is celebrating Family Day online, and VIRL, or Vancouver Island Regional Library, is too. We have created some activities in the form of video story times, crafts, and a special tutorial that I'm going to go through right now on Pebble Go Research Database. So I have up on our screen our Pebble Go Database. At Vancouver Island Regional Library, we have databases for kids, and one of those databases is Pebble Go. So Pebble Go is to help you do research, and if you want to find out more information on something, then you can go to a research database. So Pebble Go focuses on 3 areas: animals, science, and health. And right this time, we are going to examine the animals area. So I'll just click on the animals icon, and it's going to take us to the page on animals. And we are going to narrow down our search further because I would like to
pets and farm animals.
Focus today on pets and farm animals. So the farm animals specifically that we would like to research is the goat. So
farm
I'm
animal.
going to click on farm animals, and it will take me to the next page. So as you can see, there's one page called goats. So I'm going to click on that page, and it's going to take us to this information on goats. So if you cannot read the information, there is also an audio button here you can click, and it will read you the information about goats.
Goats have long bodies, short legs, and short tails. Goats weigh between 20 and 250 pounds, 9 and 113 kilograms. Their hair is curly and soft, or short and coarse.
So you can also click on the other tabs under goats that will tell you where goats live, what kind of food they eat, and what they do during their life. There's also a couple of more fun activities at the bottom you can do. One of them is a video that you can click on that shows you what real goats do in real life. So we're going to watch that for a few minutes. So you can see the goats are playing. The little goats are called kids, and they're out in their natural habitat. And the other thing you can do is you can listen to the sound that goats make. So I'm going to play that for you right now. So the other animal that I want to show you today is a pet. And through the animals portal again.
Pets and farm animals.
And back through pets. And you'll notice at the very bottom, there is a rabbit. So let's click on him.
Pet rabbit.
So again, there are tabs at the top that show us information about a rabbit's body, where they live, their food, and their life cycle. So let's listen to a little bit information about the rabbit.
Pet rabbits have soft fur, tiny tails, and wiggly noses. Their long ears turn to listen to sounds all around them. Pet rabbits have soft.
And there's also a video to show you what real rabbits do in real life. So this rabbit is munching on a snack, and you can see him eating. All right, so I hope you enjoyed learning about animals today and doing some research on the Pebble Go research database. You are able to find this database on the Vancouver Island Regional Library website under Kids, and on the Kids page, you can click the launch button for Pebble Go and it will bring you to this research database. And currently, you will need a library card in order to use the research database. I hope you enjoy the family day and enjoy our Pebble Go research database.